What up, America? How y'all doing out there with all this virus stuff going on? Got everybody treating everybody all differently. Sad. Like, man, been out past few days. It's all you hear. You don't hear nothing else. But it ain't affecting people spending money still, huh? Everybody all mean, nobody want to touch each other. Oh man, even in stores, people giving their monies like this, taking their change. Like, don't you know everybody's touching that too? Before anybody, any one of y'all just touched that. Oh, it's getting crazy. Mask. I'm still trying to figure out why the hell tissue is being bought up. I've been trying to look for tissue today. Close to running out. It's like I'm gonna have to make an alternate for something. We're gonna have to use paper towels. I still don't understand what's the point. I mean, not the point, but I'm still trying to understand what's the deal with that. Like, only thing was everybody making the mask out of tissue now. I don't know, man. Start using newspaper and paper towels, I guess. I guess eventually I'll find something. So y'all staying in the house, still going out and about, especially with this eBay selling thing, you gotta get out. So I'm not really worried too much. I'm not gonna let it stop me from doing what I need to be doing. Just be a little cautious. So with all this going on, right now, I got a few things that I want on the auction that I usually be on online. And pay for that stuff, so I'm going right now to go pick it up. Still got a lot of stuff to list from the Goodwill spree I got. But the good thing is I'm starting to get some sales in. Hopefully that start keeping increasing. But I know if that increase, you get what you wish for, huh? Don't want to be too overwhelmed, but I'll deal with it. But once I get there, I give y'all a show of some of the things I got. So I spent about $58 and some change in about 7 days. And I will see y'all when I see y'all. All right. Good. Yeah. I'm trying to find tissue. I'm trying to find some tissue.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You just had it. Somebody told me. Let me think 1 second.
Well, this is what all the stuff I done got, but I'm going ahead and just wait until I get to the house and show it even more. But got this old rusted fan, says it works. I see in the sales on eBay. I got a bunch of old vintage stuff. Can't wait to see the turnout it's gonna be for this. Stay tuned. Alright, after today grabbing this little stuff that I had from the auction, I ended up getting a sale, and it's from the Goodwill shopping that I did the other day. It's the Motorola cable modem that I recently have purchased, and purchased this for $3, and I sold it within a day, $14.99 free shipping. So I don't think shipping should be that. Let me look that up real quick. Okay, I'll be paying $3.93 to ship this on out. So $14.99 ship out for $3.93. Let's come out with a $5.83 profit, which ain't pretty bad. Spending $3. So that's going out for tomorrow morning. All right, well, I got everything laid out, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. the little things that I have. As you can see, these are all the things that I have. Picked up this old rusted fan, but I seen that they actually sell on eBay. But at the same time, I didn't know that the plug wasn't gone. Actually, it was my fault. I didn't read the description, but I could just probably go tomorrow morning, to Home Depot, go grab a plug to put back together and test that, see if that works. If so, then I probably will be listing this for about 40 bucks, plus shipping. I went to Home Depot and bought a plug to see if this thing works. So I hooked everything up, plugged it up, clicked it on a couple times. Next thing you know, pop, smoke comes. Well, that was the end of that. I still listed it. That's not working. So hopefully I can still make either my money back or a profit. One of the two is better than losing. But if I have to lose out on it, I just will. Lesson to be learned. Still a student for life. And we continue. And here I got a vintage fluorescent old school light right here. And I picked this up for $6. So I'm going ahead and list this whenever I can. I still got other stuff to list, but once I do, I'll probably list this for about probably $15 plus shipping. I mean, I see that's what it's averagely selling for, but I see other listings that's active now for they sell it for 40 or 50. So it depends. I don't know, but it works. One of the bulbs are blown, but as long as both sides work, that shouldn't matter. Next up here is a Pinocchio lunchbox with the thermo cup, and I ain't seen that the cups are selling for $10 by themselves. So, and this lunchbox plus this that came with it. I'm not sure if it works, but I'm thinking it does. The battery is dead on it. So originally this was $24.99, but for me not knowing that it works, just leave it on, throw it on in there. So altogether with this, I'll probably be listing this for maybe $15. And coming over here for the kick plates, I got four packs of these, and I see that they're selling them for one a piece for $10. So I could either sell them individually, $10 each, that makes 40, or I could sell them in a whole lot, or I'll sell them 2 by 2. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but either or, they will be listed here. Oh, also for the cake plates, I've paid $9 for both. I mean $9 for all four. Moving on ahead, this is Lino Diesel Horn Shed. Picked this all up, plus with it came with some railroad accessories. I'm not sure all of it, I don't think so, but it's all together. I'm trying to open this box with one hand. And here goes this. But put all this up in the lot pretty much as is. And with just this by itself, I see this is selling for, I believe it was, let me check again. So between $10 and $20. So with all these other little accessories attached to it, I should make a decent okay profit. And on to the next one. This right here is a Wizard Lyre, which is a cheap knockoff brand from Dungeons and Dragons. It's a Chinese version, and as you can see, it's liar is spelled wrong, but I did not know that, but that's my fault, so you live and you learn. But anyhow, it's gonna get listed anyway, so yeah, I think it's a cool little something somebody could pick up. But I picked this up for $8, so, and I'm looking to probably list this for about $20. For the next, last but not least, hand puppet. I wasn't even expecting to even win this on the auction, but I got it for $2. So, and I see that they actually are selling by themselves for $10. So I'm gonna list that for 10, and that's all for what I got for the auction. I'm still behind on listing, but as long as I got something to list, I always have a potential sale. So altogether, I spent $57 for everything here. And I feel just with these alone, I'm gonna be making most of my money back. Probably more than half. So I feel this is pretty decent. Then I guess as these things go off and sell, I'll let y'all know. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Good morning, everybody. It's Q. Today is March 19th, 2020. And I have a sale this morning, and it is from the online auction, the stuff that I picked up. And I listed this item last night, and it sold this morning. It's not even on eBay. It's on Offerup. So I would recommend people, if you can, make your own little account for Offerup and start posting things that you post from eBay to Offerup. I mean, it's an extra stream of avenue to earn some income. So right now, the item I sold was a Lionel's horn shed with some like train track accessory type stuff. I don't really know, but it's like vintage anyway. So I got that sold for $20, and I have, let's see here, paid $8 for it. So for $20, Offerup, they take care of all of the the shipping part of it. So it's not like eBay when you kind of benefit from the shipping being added together, whatever. It's just pretty much out flat free. So with Offerup, little fee they charge, I think it's 12.4%. So I'll be with 19 some change. So all in all, it's probably like a $10 profit. So, but I'm gonna have to ship that off. So this is a package that's going out. Going out to somebody in Utah. I usually package everything as I list. So therefore, when it sells, I can just pick it up, print out the label, send it off. But till then, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you later.